Hi everyone. So this is the explanation on topic 15 similar figures. So this year in 7th grade, it's a lot of vocab in this topic. We're gonna talk about congruent figures and how they are the exact same size and shape, and then similar figures, and that symbol right there, and how those shapes are the exact shape, but the sides are in proportion to each other. And we've learned a lot about proportions already this year. So hopefully this unit it's a lot more geometry. So some students who weren't so good at the algebra part of this year are probably going to really love similar figures in our next topic, quadrilaterals, too. So we talk about corresponding and how that's just being in the same position on on these figures. What else? We will have to name similar sides or figures. So like side AC is congruent to, and then they're going to write AC is congruent to PR. So they're going to have to practice writing these similarity statements. And if they know that these angles are corresponding, then if C is 32 degrees, R will be 32 degrees. So we're going to talk about that too. We can also find missing sides. So if we know that they're similar to each other and their sides are in proportion, we can set that up like 5/10 is in proportion to 10 and 20, since those are corresponding sides. And in proportions this year, we have cross multiplied to make sure that they're equal to each other when two fractions are set like that. So those figures are similar. And since we know that, we can find missing sides like they will here. So if we're finding x, then we can set up a proportion to find x. So that's pretty much what similar figures is going to entail. Like I said, those kids who like geometry and shapes and kind of getting away from a break from algebra heavy stuff will enjoy this topic. Hope that helped. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.